Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We
We
back
back
with
with
another
another one,
one,
Mafethu.
Mafethu.
Sibuyile fresh, Mapagania. Straight from a 2-0 win. We just beat Milford in Namachito Studio to analyze the game. Spethu coast to coast mnandi.
Hayi top baba. Suke ngomdanso.
Soke ngomdanso. Mr. Mlambo mnandi.
General Nengomasha ufikile baba. Only what I have namhlanje.
Yeah.
Ake pokotweni lento lena. Sivalele.
Yeah.
That's what I have.
Yeah. Easy does it, Mapagania. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Mapagania. Let's grow the community. Remember, Mafethu, that subscription button helps us keep the lights on, Mapagania. Even though I'm just number light, we still need that subscription button, Mafethu. Sibuyile namachimbosi. As I said, we just witnessed the game here. Milford, we beat them 2-0 to analyze it. Mr. Mlambovi asibengina estadium mhlambe singaqala ngoGhost size ukuthi uGhost ibone kanjani.
Yeah, Ntwana, I think
No, sorry. The post match interview.
Nama
But
ins, the stadium ins.
yeah.
Stadium ins.
Yeah. No, we'll get to that.
Okay,
We'll get to that, yeah. We can because the Ghost wasn't there. Maybe when ungaskaya Mr. Mlambo post match interviews.
Wena ugrand dancing.
Yeah.
Awutshela ngamabhakani ukuthi nje.
ubuti kadansini.
Hayi dancing.
Era uhleleka. Yini ngathi intwana kaDansini.
Yazi iphi le? Ile yamrebisela imic, ayikhumbula le yamrebisela imic.
Oh yeah. Yes, straight.
Imagine Ntwana dansini.
Era dancing. That's a I at that time because no, there's too many things going on. I didn't really. Maraki mamela ke. Hey, Vada, you look like dancing Zanga Prague or something along those lines. Yes.
Yeah.
Dansini kile 2001.
Yeah, muna. Mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, mina indlela engiyibone ikuma post match intanga.
Yeah.
Ayabona ntanga abashaye bonke and at least ibonile like the sun was out yesterday. It was nice, the weather was good. But it wasn't ntanga for me yesterday. Anginikeza uncobo. Chairman Chairman Mfethu was flowing Mfethu. The way like I anticipate ngayo and what I love about iHotman yazini positive.
Yeah.
Noma isizini yophela you can always listen to ama post match akhe ntanga. Always like seeing like the pride Mfethu yangithona and that's what is good. Yeah. Chairman Mfethu.
Wadu. This is not ASV.
Wadu.
Wadu. The coronavirus needs to fire this guy.
But at least some kind of flower.
Yeah. So for those of you who don't know the interview, his name is Dlamini. We did an interview with him the last time. Bekakhala ngoWadu. So it was
Last season.
Last season. Yeah, he was my favorite. I would say to you know what I like about him? Is that the guy is honest.
Sure.
Honest. And I saw more comments. People are saying, "We glad to see you forgave the coach." You know what I mean? So the guy is honest. He just wants the team to do well. I'm sure in danger. Shout out to Orlando Pirates as well. Upax Camp at least he was recording but how I never sometimes it
was I think it was Mandla playing it.
It was Mandla, yeah. He could have just easily said this guy, you know what I mean. Yeah, man, he was my favorite. Ghost, have you had a chance to check those post match?
Yeah. I think my standout was the young Pakania, who's the grandchild of the Found.
Yeah, the Found.
I think that was a special one. Shapile lichezia senzo mwele mfethu. Wabona ke Pakania lelona. And everyone else obviously as of Robatlwa yetsi bo beekeeper ba sharp mfethu, chairman Bob Joaga. Hayi ngiyathelwa lapho always. But my standout was the young lady.
The young lady, and I'm just trying to get the name of the
Bethel what?
yeah,
Something.
Betwell Mokgosinyane, okay.
Yeah.
So the founder is Betwell Mokgosinyane,
Mokgosinyane.
and I did a bit of
Research.
research, yeah, and I saw yeah, it's confirmed. So
And
he's part of the founders, not really, or is the
The
you know
main, the
the
main.
main, yeah.
Yeah,
I think
it's
it's
not
like
one,
four
yeah.
guys, you know.
Yeah.
and guys, are you aware the spirits of Nzori is rising? Vana Saka Senzoma Mayo, the song.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah,
is
yeah,
always
yeah,
like
yeah.
talking about him.
Sure.
Not is still with us, which is
Sure.
good. Vana.
It's good in fact, and that jazz in fact too.
Yo.
Yes, it's all that I do see
Ligas.
like.
And she's passionate, ne?
Yeah,
She was passionate.
yeah, and like she's well like articulated
Yeah,
because
yeah.
she even spoke a bit about the game. I want.
Sure.
Yeah.
Only lanyane ka Tito Masangane. Yeah. Tito needs to improve. Tito.
Eh, but Tito, you always get those comments, Tito. Like it's always you'll never find like everyone saying the same thing, Tito.
Tito,
Yeah, always
one of
it's
those
Tito.
controversial.
Sure.
Always.
And you will be amazed when you think, hey, Tito was pushy, and someone comes and says, hey, this guy is terrible. One to one, and one makala, it's like, yeah. But it's I think it's one of those.
I think Inona is like love and hate in fact. Like it's one player that is loved so much, and as well, some people like if they hate Tito, don't like it. And you never know who wins it because of Mona Tito, it doesn't like to speak much. And so, Mona the video, how we are buying, full focus it. And so, it's Marabaga Serrate Goffin. Yeah, Mr. Mlambo spoke a bit about the stadium entrance and that.
Sure.
Yeah, maybe you can explain to Amapagani what's been Zagalani there, our struggles.
Yeah, I think it was a disaster, and it's not like we were too late. Nazi, young tall. I think like ubani ushaba ube wayibeka kamnandi mfethu ukuthi amahata mfethu amaphoyisa. I think like they should go do their work later ngestrategeni than a stadium because I think it's a little bit of abusive because mfethu Dantanga there was no chaos. Sitshela amabhakane esibaka context. Obvious when it's a sold out ghost kuzogcwala. What do you expect? And kuzogcwala ngesikhathi sokuthi igame lizoqala. Uyangithola. I think lento lemesikhuluma ukuthi fanele kube namagate amaningi. We'd make izinto zibe simple. Uyangithola. Because abantu mebablomile la masifika no fire. Sibona sekuthelwa amanzi. Da. Kuthelwa amanzi amaphoyisa avalile la gateini. Abanye bashaya ama pepper spray kunale engitshela ufire ngayo le mikhala ukuthi cela amanzi bethele nge pepper spray emehlweni ihlungu I know.
And is it a pepper spray or lamanzi lawa ngathi bawafaka ichemical?
Aloma lona mithi ya.
I think image because good Lord baba waraya kusi pepper spray hey lamanzi lawa ane pepper spray.
Yakhala le ya ghost and into ebhlungu mfethu ukuthi kunanabantwana. Yangithola cabanga umntana omncane sekathelwa i-ridings and asifani mfethu omunye umuntu like lento le ngamshaya even after the game yangithola sekuba i-condition yakhe. I think management like should do better smart in terms of they manage those things. I think mina like the solution is to add amagate yangithola amaphoyisa mfethu awangene phakathi because mayeblomile la sesingathi siyalwa silwe mfethu we are there to watch i-disc.
I mean, like, what's the point of having like 3 or 4 like security checks in fact?
Sure.
You can just deploy 2 here, young Zola. Open a new gate there, another 2 there, young Zola. Nangara 2, and then 2, maybe 2 Nangara, young Zola in the because in fact, I mean, in fact, like Mr. Mla, I mean, we were like 20 minutes before kickoff, young Zola. I mean, 20 minutes before kickoff on foot is not bad in fact, young Zola.
Sure.
Because in fact, to get in the stadium and to find your seat, I don't think it will take you more than 10 minutes, young Zola in the So we're pretty much on time, young Zola in the Those guys in fact, and I think I agree with Ushaba in fact. Those guys are causing chaos. There's no chaos there in fact, Ghost in fact. There in fact too. But what why? But what gating? Because people are denied, but they are denied access wanthola but o batla o controller stampede motho o tsereng ticket o bontsha a ke re wena ona that technology ya o scan mo tloella fete if it's fake batla mona mo wena you don't have that that technology wanthola let them pass as long as it shows you something let them so bona mfethu wa batla hore because no o tletse o manganyane ha wane le line go sholo batla hore o ba le line hi o wane they won't see that going to be impossible not unless the gate tsele tse ba di kenyang tsele tsa di line ba di kenye ka montle wanthola not ka moare because da mfethu batho ba le mona ba etsa mess
and there won't be any line tang abanye abantu baza babushayile there's a lot of things
ngithola it will be very difficult to control but I think mfethu I agree with your solution mfethu you know I think those guys must just open other gates let's have like 6 7 8 gates wanthola and by saying that I'm not saying or they must maybe employ more people and more expense just because here you have like 4 points wanthola just have 2 and then this 2 ekayimo mrao uyifaka kwenye gate angithola endinyana I think that might be the solution mfethu it was a mess ghost mfethu it was a mess there was a point mfethu mo ileng hore mlambo tsere ticket wanthola ke amlatella wanthola o etsa cause of ya sakere ke sepitipiti una le batho ba re kenang in between wanthola sa le boda nna ke mo mra wanthola yena a fitla ra o ba bontsha ticket wa kena wanthola nna ka tshwara ticket a se ba qeta o bontsha ticket a kena a ba sa mdumella ra tumele because ba za ma controller what stampede wanthola so wa bona hore na jona o se ke le desperate ke na ticket nwana ke ka ngware wanthola ke le jwa
ngiyamtshela mfethu sekuyinto ebhala
wanthola mfethu ke tlasha le legata ra o tsere mfethu ntswiri like ntswiri so ke re mona o tle kwetsa ntlwelle mfethu go tla go mra ke re morwa ka wata tla ke hole la wanthola ke la mo o re fetso ga lo tlo bontsha o siete ke wanthola ke le
ke ngibiza namanyiza kunyaphushwa na shift wena ke tsongenile yangithola sekuyinto ebhaya manje sibani.
But I think last season we had a bit of about this conversation because it's not the first time yet. I think it more or less always happens.
Every time there's a sold out, it's going to happen.
Sure.
And you must notice it's always one gate. That other gate, out. That's always the problematic entrance.
Sure.
That one.
Yeah. So, but I think Namfetu, I'll still say, what about even that scenario we explain now, or that guy's there with the ticket, they don't want to let him in. If you were scanning the tickets at that first point, then there's no chaos. Because you are scanner then talking. So, to Kenya Musu, Lumtiba, gate in Yabitre, or I when I take it out, I span.
Sure.
Leona, it's a chaos.
It's a chaos.
So, rather scan them right there at the first point. Then we have us not take it, you shove them away. Then that way it's simple.
Simple. And like, is there a necessity or to family one fencing? Because that section, one fencing, and then one gate. I get one amassing in a FNP. I get through guiding and pushing around and one set. Why can't these people be plumera? Once all I get it. Unlike
I think that's how I want to say Russell chaos stampede. You know, the closer you are, the more dangerous or by control. But if at least you are a bit far, then they can, even if you're a preacher, they can maybe try to redeploy Babangada to come and block you before they reach our entrance. But if you're already there, then once all I say chaos, at the same time.
I feel like those gates, those entrances, none of they are secured. To look at skinny little too.
And we are in the stadium.
But anyway, let's jump straight to the game, Mr. Mlambo. Thoughts on it?
I think yes, abantu ababhaya bayakhala ukuthi iyadlalanga kahle kanjani na kanjani. I think for me what was important is to get the 3 points, put it in the bag, and then we go. That means we have improved compared to last season. And I had this thing in mind. Amajita buya gu pre-season, young. They won't be at that level. uyangithola
Yeah.
because mebasajima inyawo saqinile, game fitness is not on that standard, but I think we had a lot of mistakes,
Yeah.
especially like in the middle of the park. First half kube mesihlangane ne team esmart emebazosibulala ntanga. Tito lost the ball, CBC lost the ball, Mbatha lost the ball,
yeah.
and in the middle of the park mekuvulekile ntanga, mekuvulekile. I think you know why. Umbatha akafuna ukuhlala as a number 6, uyangithola. Ufuna ukuyenza izinto zenzakale, which is not wrong, uyangithola. But we also have uDancing. That's why every time when there was a second ball, it was easy those guys to find it. The middle field was opened throughout all the game, uyangithola. But like Mfethu we did what we were supposed to do. We scored the goals. Nalentwana 49, I can't recall igama layo. I think nayo bewangena noMasilela. We had a little bit of life, yeah. Second half,
Kamogelo go tsitsile.
yeah.
That's goes to favorite players so far.
Of course.
Lepe.
Vision kaMremi le yacava ntanga. Ifana noMremi ntanga le yambi to like
Ngizatshela
this
ufaka ukuthi bingifanela
no really.
no Maseko. Yeah.
No Maseko, nibani Maseko.
Bafana.
Oh, yeah, mfethu and mesikhuluma no Fire. Ubonile amawingers ethu abongwato, Muremi nayo le. Like they almost similar sibali. It's only a police for me, I think, which is different from the wingers which we have this season. And Popo.
Yeah, and Popo. Yeah. I think I agree with you, Fitz. I think you summed it up nicely, Angtol. We open and Scoopy in down. Sure. Much as Dancing had a good game, and I'm sure we'll touch on him, Angtol. But sometimes kona le feeling I move Angtol dancing like a dancing is so flat and you know sometimes as much as Neng irritate like Neng Kenya, but he made some good points because now like Umshebe utola Mbatha isolated and Mbatha is very Neng was saying Lena is not a player that is disciplined. He's not a natural number 6. He likes to play the ball. He likes to do dangerous passes. He mentioned this mistake. Damn, we sharply he Scoopy, dangerous ball. So I think our coach needs to find the right balance between the two, because I remember you said it, we should start with Dancing and Mbatha. And I think in terms of technical play, I think those are our best 2 players in the middle of the park. If they can just get their positional discipline, I think we will give a lot of teams issues there. And then Tito as well, he was supposed to make us play Murray. For some reason, it didn't quite happen for them. Mbutuma as well. I'm losing patience on Mbutuma. I'm really losing patience because Mbutuma, he can't make the basics right. Like basics, you're not asking for much. Just stay on side. Make the run at the right time. Not always being offside. When it comes to your feet, it bounces off. It goes to other players. He must really improve. And I don't think he has time, because now he signed a new striker, as well as Radio Man is raising his hand as well. So, but overall, it was a scrappy game. Second half, it was a poor second half for me. I saw a state, they had more possession than us. A newly promoted team coming to the arena and have the majority of possession. I sold out affair. Much as they didn't create much, but you mentioned those mistakes. Tricky, you know. Sharply across ball, like that.
What was tricky there?
Mekmela pasu Sipho.
No le pass mfeta equally at passile la.
Mekmela pasu Sipho.
Oh yeah, no, I'm saying it's a tricky ball in a sense. You don't play that ball there. You don't. You'd rather clear or give it to
you know what it did wrong. You know what it did wrong, Dantona. Kora lift up all. That pass was on. In fact, I'll tell you, he was open. If he just, I could keep all the fella pendant. Yafihla this
Ah,
game.
cool.
Kuyawuchaya.
Like,
I'm telling you,
no.
Bella Siamara.
No, yeah.
Siama was open.
Mamela ngiyakuzwa ne, but mina my thing is don't make football difficult mfethu. Into simple, angithi ufuna uSiyama. Mawumphass uSipho naye lisele, it wouldn't even take like 3 seconds. Uyangithola?
Even there is an option, ne?
Yeah.
But Ghost Ndwana, you know why I don't agree with it? Because that he was already under pressure.
Who Podlela?
Podlela,
I thought I can all the time.
No, he was not.
Chiga.
Asha Pasele Garwawanyana, did you realize that?
I think we
Because
technically
the striker everything was desperate times.
I'll tell her receive a polonal pressure.
No, there was no.
No, when I
pressure on the
receive
play.
an national pressure, but I'm saying
Even utenne ashebagayi
Sure.
ashiga akhutlagai
Sure.
ashiga abona jwano go so shubile ke a sa batla o sha phasile
Yeah.
nna ke ntse ke tshong gore at that point that's mo sha pasile. There's no way ora ga ikuka pasile mfe. Onto like either you must clear the ball or give it to Sipho Ndwana. Ele ona ele.
Yeah.
Ele Ndwana it was a tricky ball. Onto.
But at least he recovered.
Yeah.
At least he recovered.
Was it him who recovered the
Team.
ball?
Oh
Oh yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
And to be fair to Podlela, he intercepted few balls on like dangerous balls on and I think Lily riding
Mbat, yeah.
on tall again recovery on tall.
Was a man of the match contender also for me.
Yes.
City was top.
And you're talking about him, Ndwana Line, Ndwana, oh, till he fit, goes to fit.
Podlela.
So he shall life it.
Podlela.
I don't know, or maybe off season you can say effort.
Like
No, mfethu ulipot reason
Umbokazi 2.0.
Everything put critical mona tlaufikana mona ke ra
Ikandala.
Kindo.
ene umbone like a TV ngamara because now nersale fairly defend now ntela ya bona mfethu awona muneka re thuso phala potrisile ka re le kosi batla o thubela bole what's
To promise it.
yeah but overall mfethu he played the 3 points coast.
Yeah, I can't complain. In fact, I think it's one of those games. In fact, you can easily draw or lose such games. Sure. But the mark of champions, in fact, is overcoming such matches and bringing the 3 points. As you said, in Tangalama mistake on another day, and it's a different game.
Yeah.
So kudos to my chance to push it and we also give it to them. First game of the season.
Sure.
We're still finding our feet. And I'm just happy for the 3 points. Let's keep moving.
Ne?
Yeah.
And I think Karabo made a good point as well to say, if you remember last season, the first 2 games.
Yeah, we lost.
As LL, once all I get and then now it's W.
Sure.
Much as a newly promoted team, once all, I don't fit you.
They
must
played.
get that
And
W.
futhi ukuthi ba
Once all
ku
over the
Betway ngithola.
Yeah.
So dlala nabo. 3 points uyithola ku.
Sure. And I think I was listening to the coach's post-match interview and so
Sure.
actually now this Milford team is going to take 3 points on so like no team in the buy. So he was basically saying you must watch out for them.
Yeah.
The young boys can play.
I think excited.
Did you see the second half?
No, ngiyakuzwa.
And they play as a team.
Angiphi goals basalambile uyangithola.
Yeah.
It's a chain. Sasele 29. I think like leso statement intanga kusamela hoxe kancane uyangithola. Angene kuye intanga. Those are big words, bold intanga.
No, but it's bold.
But he didn't say much.
Yeah, or the teams must just watch out for them.
Yeah, it's not like he said they will beat Ban.
Yeah, if they'll catch them sleeping there, they can easily.
And that's exactly what I was saying. Or it could have been a draw or lose that game on a different day.
Hey, I'm fit.
So that gives kudos to Milford as well. Or Badlietsi Milford.
Before we score, even our first goal, and I just grabbed
deflection.
The goal,
Sure.
Before we scored that goal, you could.
It was starting to be.
Because Mutuma is not getting much supply. Tito is not in the game until he's trying. Pale now until Matalena, it seems like he's alone there. Police is not there. Mremi is not there. No one. Hey, what's like? Marosha bench in the order.
New names.
What all of it? So I think that first goal It was very, very important. And I don't know what you guys think about our coach subbing also in our police, in fact. Because now, in fact, I believe in fact, because the relay is gone now, in fact. Our police should be our main player, in fact. You want to when you still need to score, Mr. Mnam. Even though it's not in the game, in fact. You know already special, in fact. When you check this group of players that we have, and you say pick the most talented player, you're probably going to pick also in a police. Yeah. I mean, you're playing, okay, maybe because he said, Pedro, you know, yeah, some players, they just come from the World Cup, you know, they're a bit of fatigued and so it's not only physical, even mental as well. They need to rest and what.
And also, just to add this, young Tol, I think I understand that, like also they lost as much as they are professional, but also losing Jaden Adams, young Tol, which is what someone mega close Nague. And if you can check also the celebration, young Tol, like I think T23, I think he mega guy. I think also maybe those kind of things bas check young Tola when they are with the team, Guti, mentally how are you? Maybe I think they're trying to bring him back. Yeah.
Hopefully it's dead. Hopefully it's dead. Because you know, they didn't ever defeat. Those guys score there, it becomes 1-1 in fact. It start coming. Guns blazing. Why did you sub a police? You want to police this and this and that.
Mr. Clean Sheet
Mr. Clean Sheet. And he had a good game.
Omo mfethu ma sponsor sipho mfethu.
Omo
Sunlight. Umuntu ama clean sheet. Clean sheets.
That's right. Can you talk a bit about Cameron Tansey?
Khohla ntanga. Angezwe ntanga le ayakala ngo-dancing, but you know what's good about dancing?
Yeah.
I think the boy is seeing ukuthi now it's my time and the coach believes in me. I think yes, it's still early to tell ukuthi season yakhe izoba kanjani, but at least I think siba nama introduction ukuthi Mapagane expect this from me from pre-season. You understand? That boy when loses the ball, that boy fights ukuthi azama ukulwina. Ball recoveries akaDancing amnandi. And I told you, I don't remember seeing him yesterday losing the ball. Like young Tola ukuthi misplace a pass or what. Maybe I'm wrong. You understand? But for me, I think ukuthi man of the match uyilwele ntanga. Akayitholanga kancane, and I think that's the introduction. Watch out for Dancing. Watch out for Dancing this season.
Watch out for Dancing, Ghost.
In fact, I mean, his time is now. In fact, also now since he's been gradually warming up into the first 11. In fact, I think now it's time. Put him in there. In fact, I think combination of one, if we give it a few games, they will find their tune. In fact, it's two talented players, and they have their heart for football. In fact, everything is on their side. So it's just them getting the game time, and I promise you'll see a combination for decades into one, like one that will be going up there with Charlie and Ace into one. That too. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I fully
and
agree.
Dancing is special.
And I like or coach like Wamnganya because so far he's been showing like faith in the boy. They asked him a question about dancing, and so he even told the journalist, you have a responsibility to protect like South African talent. Not always going on so dancing. Let's give him flowers. He's young, he's talented, he's South African, and so let the boy flourish. I think he had a good game, a man of the match performance as well. And it's similar to Talent Mbata in a sense. Orlena is someone who can run with the ball. And so that thing is very difficult. Not everyone can do it, Mr.
Box to box really too. What do you want?
Get it box to box. And they can interchange the ball. Because then he has a bit of aggression. He can tackle the ball as Mbata. He not want to go to the ground up higher. To dance in another crack and so on. Sometimes he goes overboard. I think he even got a yellow card yesterday. And I like Shalem from behind. So let's protect dancing if it wears okuningi. And then when you check our options goes to
Yeah.
and try to see okay mara matha aka partner alma wanto I'm dancing.
Yeah, that's him for me.
Wanto let's give it to him. And I like the fact that he's graduating. Wanto it's not, you know, radio pan in Ghana sometimes I'm frustrated because it's always upcoming. So like, it seems like Lena years that shit or radio pan, you always see him as a young star. That's you real and fit to come and shine. So like so I think dancing is doing that.
He's done it.
Yeah,
He's done it.
Shout out to him.
Shout out Young Dancing, take your flowers.
Shout out dancing. And then we saw Tito Masongani Coast. He even went down. I think it's injury.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Marshall will get to that or who will be a replacement.
Yeah.
They gave against Devin City.
Sure.
But overall thoughts on his performance?
I'm fit. I think in fit to Tito. I'm fit. You can never falter the effort. The heart is always there. Not one of his best games, but you know he kept pushing. Fit Nazama He even tracked back. No more hafunya rona fit at lobatla polo. You could see he wanted to get in the game. But it was just one of those games. I'm not. So yeah, I'll forgive Tito any day. I know what he's capable of, and I know he always leaves his heart on the field.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And he gave like good performances during preseason.
Yeah. Very good performances. Sure. Yeah.
So it's just one of those days.
Yeah.
Aralena Tito it needs to click in his mind or like to accelerate when you look behind. When I look behind me, I see like young stars.
Yeah.
For me, it's a lot of youngsters with a huge potential. I don't think they can take this giant team maybe win us maybe another league title or take us to a second star. I'm looking at Tito, I'm saying Tito you're looking at you and Lamini says something very profound to say Tito mangadlali ntanga iPirates nyekidlale Tito asadlale I think Njebe said the same thing. So he has that responsibility. And what I like about him, he doesn't shy off the ball. If it's not his day, want to hide and say, he goes there, he tries to express himself. I think yesterday it was just one of those days, Mr. Mlam.
Yeah, for me, I think he had good and bad moments.
Yeah.
Lose the ball, but he had good moments also. But he didn't have a good game. He was just average. Kunale second half, I think it's years yamlandela. Ayithinta kabuhlungu kabi. Ngibone sekale boxing.
Oh, ngibonanga lemongela
ngithinta kabuhlungu kabi. Ukuthi it's years la wayithinta. Sambona sekale boxing. But I think enye into engifrustrated nasikhathala imali nalapha lele. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Why our teammate is down? Why do you want to keep on playing the ball? Keep it ball, mfethu. You don't know how serious is that thing. Uze wavuka uTito wazama ukugijima walala futhi. You understand? Mfethu, like we are wearing the same jersey. If someone ulele la, so yabona 30 seconds yadlala and it's not like we are taking, take the ball out bazoma attend.
Yeah. I think someone said it as well on one post-match interview to say even that remember when Sundowns scored that goal go FNP Tito was down and sort of crying out for help and then we conceded because we were one man down. Same thing similar happened but I think now it's different because now it seems like Vele was genuinely hurt.
We had the ball. That's why I'm saying 30 seconds if Spetty ball and angasatiki ligit asilkhipheni mfethu lo muntu lo angeke alale nje.
Sure.
Alalela manga.
I know, Nyaguza, Mr. Mlambo. Anything else, gentlemen, or should we jump straight to predictions?
I just wanted to give a shout out to that thing, to Mremi as well, in fact,
Yeah.
I think he also he showed up in fact that goal we needed it and he delivered, and he's also one of those players now that we are looking at to say we need you guys to bring in those goals and assists. So kudos to him, he put something on the board yesterday. So that's good.
And I remember I said that guy he can easily be our leading goal scorer. And I think he's
because I think we got even a few offsides he could have
it was clear,
I said it was frustrating also nalo referee like mega frustrating
kona le azoichacha offside in fact santsane kuchwenkile run santsane re le mo hafung ya rona. I think it was that day go sitsile a boy took a run from our half. It was not offside. It was not offside.
me frustrates
and it was clear.
It was clear. It was a good chance. It was a good chance. And I think shout out to the boy as well.
I
am excited. I'm telling you. I saw some a few balls. I'm like, if I just turn and face that guy, I won, and let's see what happens. So I battle chance to buy. Give me a 10, I can win. Yeah, Mark. God, I really get rata.
I don't want to get
yeah, sky
and wabona lento ya ore wa ntse akate akakhe wabona akalukisa shooting ya can give us that as well. So I think that one is a one to watch out for. Definitely.
Masilela as well.
Ngithi ngiyalapha yabona ntanga bathi Clevo ithole Dustin isuke Dustin ile ku pro side le yantanga mina ngiyakutshela uyibheke. And what's nice about us now, we have new blood, young boys, young tall. If Tito uyaphuma, obviously yazi Tito is not fast, young tall, it dictates umuntu leyana ntanga izosky energy young tall. And I saw him kahle nginokumbona ku DDC, but I saw him kahle ku pre-season. I think we have something ntanga. The new star is rising uzobona ntanga mara ucoach I think akayenze njengoba yenza yabo le ntwana esiphuma ku DDC nabo phuphu ukuthi bangaqali akabafake abakhiphi yangithola ngendlela meka yenza ngayo dancing uzobona ntanga siphethe ugesi lapho.
Golden Fitty asked him about the squad. In fact, he said, preferably he preferred to have like 30 players.
And we have what, 41, 42?
Yeah, I'm not even sure. 40 something.
So he has 11 that he doesn't want there.
Yes. Because when I checked, to bench Aaron and seeing a lot of names are not there, dog.
It's new players on the bench.
It's new players. And then I was saying the same thing, Coach Ward. It's difficult to even make the bench. Some guys, like Aboshenko, but let's be honest. Like the man, then they just get paid. But they are not doing much. So
but let's just come back from injury, dog. I think he's still injured.
Yeah, I was injured.
No, pre-season. I think he didn't travel.
Yeah, no, Masindi naye also.
I'm telling you.
Masindi, I know.
Yeah.
I think Shenko as well. Because I think I saw his social media pre-season when the team was in Spain. Fagi something in your way. Yeah.
But now you know what's the thing, Coast. Even last season, he saw. Shenko was fit, Shenko was always there.
Yeah.
Why?
No, a lot of players are there.
No, the coach selection. The coach
that's my point, because it's quite simple. 40 something, and the coach he prefers to have a squad of 30. That way he'll be able to manage the players. But this way it's very difficult for him to manage players. Imagine the talent. Because even that season, sometimes what's the share from fit?
Yeah.
He doesn't make it to the match squad.
But I think to that as well, if it we have a lot of midfielders already.
Sure.
But we went and signed a lot of midfielders. So, there you can already see if it.
ubheke January bakhona bamba hayi kuPirates akudlalwa tani.
And bafethu Mariko Vailori was his
Hayi
brother.
khona
The other
izithu
one.
the other
Yeah,
one
not
Hey.
ours.
Not ours.
Nah, he was ours. Mega good cheaper. Mesimloneli good cheap.
So
When we
sibasayine
bought-
bayi-2.
When we bought senge 2, they buy one get one for free njenge jeans. Yangithola umuntu athi, "Hey, cheaper." Manje simbuyisanga ngapha simise le straight
Obit.
ku Obit.
Oh, okay.
Mana we.
Honorary Mariko.
I saw him on the Mariko.
Hey, favorite awadu.
Menge travel naye bazi ukuthi
And that's
bazomambisa.
all I want lie. And I was a bit like, Ash, Mariko. I was thinking, I was warming up to Mariko.
Ah, mara kids yene good preseason.
Yeah,
Good preseason.
Hey,
Yeah.
and if you remember what I said even the last time, I said no, he must be sent to DTC to get a bit of game time. Maybe he has to be read. But for now, I think I'm young too.
Hey, good TDC.
Sleep didn't go to DDC.
But slepe intwana
Yeah?
mfethu. Slepe intwana.
Mariko, how old is Mariko?
And 23, 24 and you slepe mfethu graduated from TDC. Ngeke solanda player internationally. Silise ku TDC. Ngcona
Oh,
hamba.
mfethu like mfethu bayaya ngara wayithola ama minutes.
International. Silanda
Yeah.
umuntu then siyamthatha siyomisa ku TDC.
Hayi ndoda ubuza abo ready ngabupesita ubazokutshela.
If you are not ready yet, coach, I get kuthola game time.
Yeah. Get your form utlwele ndawo.
We loan you. Go.
Manzo. Yeah?
Pirate loan. Ubani kunale player leli.
No, but loan phela
Kunale player
ukukhumbula
leli-
ukuthi sipana kanjani. Bamele kube ne demand ukuthi siyamfuna uMr Mlambo ngeloan, ngithola. If there's no demand, we send you to DDC.
But obvious now angithi ungasho
Manzo.
ukuthi nginali player bayasebenzisana labo chairman.
No, bayasebenzisana,
Sure.
but I'm saying ukuthi Mr Mlambo, if there's no demand for you, ngithola.
Yeah.
The only option you have is to get minutes there. Ngithola UJ
Yeah.
UJ is not there, man. Good facility, ngithola.
Yeah,
A
vele
lot of
TV.
talent there, ngithola.
Yeah.
Ngithola vele super sport.
Yeah.
And like every time when are you there, when you come here, you give us nothing.
You're tired.
Yeah.
You're tired.
No, that I was done last season. Last season, let's be honest.
I'm done with Mariko.
Let's
I
be
don't want to
honest.
see Mariko. Anymore.
What I like about the internet is that it doesn't lie. Go back.
Abazobona. Hey,
Yeah.
wakala namapakati.
Yeah.
Next game we playing against the Devon City, Mr. Mlambo.
MTN8.
won't be there. MTN8. 2 legs, ne?
Aye,
one.
one. I
Is it
think
one?
2 legs
Two
semi-final.
Oh, same. Okay, yeah. Yeah. How do you approach this one? If it considering Tito probably won't make it.
For me, I think tanga njengoba mesihloko lokusikhuluma ayintanga indishini simnandi. Yangithola like ungabheka ngapha ubheke ngapha, you can always get anyone, but njengoba ngikhala ngoMasilela, I don't think he has to start for me. I think fanele bamfaka bamgaba umaya futhi kanjalo because la bedlala nabo ntanga i-enemy of ours uyabaza ngithi baneshashalaza, so sifuna ukubathulisa kancane nebadliwe izolo ngijabulile yo ebalayekile ntanga. Yeah, but who do we have in the middle of the park? We have Tito as the number 10, we have Masilela. Ubani omunye cela ningikhumbuzeni.
I think also in policy sometimes they put him there as a number 10.
I
and then,
think the way you approach it, Tata uLetlin Napoleon, simfaka la endishini, ayajika jike. Then emasayidini ntangayi. Choose my khethela. We have Muremi, sinobani omunye? Kabelo.
Oh, Kamogelo.
Naye ngaqala nanongwato.
yeah.
I'm very like
I was disappointed I didn't see him even on the bench. Dangazi.
we are 49, chief.
What
What do you expect?
That's the sad part.
What do you expect?
Jidala.
Sibhaya mfethu kancane kancane isikhathi sakhe sizofika.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I pretty much agree with you, fan. I think hey, that left back. Who's the one you signing there?
Rapport
Rapo.
from Siwelele.
You think him not to fit Andawa earlier?
Hayi indaba omkhulu hayi.
Hayi.
Ndaba omkhulu umbonile ku pre-season.
Ndaba is
Ngibonile
nice.
ndangaphala I'm surprised ngithola ukuthi why
Nami
I'm thinking
ngithukile,
ukuthi if photo comes out surely Ndaba should be there ngithola kilele ngelwa.
But he was on the bench, Mr. Ndaba.
Mikakhona.
I think he was there.
So we had 2 left backs.
We had 3 shukuthi.
3. I'm saying 2 on the bench.
Indaba ngathi mekanye.
Bekangekho.
Surely nasale boy.
Indaba udlalile pre-season.
Pre-season udlalile
Ndaba omkhulu.
like you could see ure is now ready in fact
Yeah.
ngithola into enjani, just give him minutes.
You sure?
Ngithola. And to be honest, I was a bit surprised mangimbona ngacala because I was thinking ura no adoro cala kadaba.
Makudlalile uHothi Izolo yo.
Final
UHothi Izolo udlalile ntanga. He has missed some chances, my
final
man.
goal.
Angithi ngiraise opinion yami.
Okay.
He missed some chances there kaMremi azamenza. Pantanga he was alive, especially first half. Nale nyoka kayishayile, mekanokuvela esayidini. Okay, crossing yakhe mele improve, but like ntanga udlalile so. For me.
Pass the opponent kangaki.
Yeah.
Pass the opponent kangaki.
How many good situations
Yo.
did he find himself in?
Wapass
And then Ashaye
Bad pass.
bad
Cross.
crosses, bad
There's that wood to that.
Yeah, no,
For me, I feel ngathi udlalile personally.
Yeah.
I feel ngathi udlalile.
It's still not.
I'm telling you.
I could have had a better game.
I just checked in now, he wasn't there.
He wasn't there.
He wasn't there.
Hey, hopefully Lena injury.
Hey ngoba ezinye izinto asizazi ngayi eMzansi.
Angino VA squad masiso phela uyazi ezinye angithi zibanjani.
Ziyasebenzisa.
Ziyakapana nasejimini ukuthi
Ziyasebenzisa
ukushayela undaba wena uzongishayela udansi.
Omunye ugok mawe.
Sipop scheme sithi.
Omunye ugoks banibani.
Yeah,
Ikho ecosidisk lelo relevant. Abanye basebenzisa into zabo eziheavy ndoda ukuthi ayilo akalimala akabe weak ngematch day.
Melushawe ngama riding ngama flip flops ngara.
Yeah, uyinje.
Yeah, I don't believe that.
Zikhona uyadlala.
You need.
Zikhona lezi.
But I think I pretty much agree with you. Like take also in a policy, put him there. Let's put that 49. It looks like he has energy.
Simple.
Yeah.
I don't want to go to your favorite player.
Definitely. In fact, although maybe I think Wadu might take Billy forward.
The striking position, I wouldn't go to my back there.
Sebastian.
Radio man.
I'm for let's give radio man.
Yeah,
I get what Sebastian, Kita was already. Also training now for
Oh, tell him nah, take Haaland. Put that guy in.
Hala, did you know what? No, Hala this night.
As if guy, what did you mean?
Because Radio Man Lena Ron aligned on an impress. I'm mobile. Like okay, and he was just lazing around. Yeah, but even off the ball, he was just lazing around. Yeah, like he was like crusty man told him fit like one told. It was that effort they were one told. Molur in fact it's clear fit some press some told like you later one told or kidding. Oh,
sometimes that's a motivating thing that you don't really see. I like or some instances, camera na lose view until like you find that is doing a lot of groundwork this side because even where we were sitting, we were sitting literally. Niremshebile so and so and I thought
I'm impressed
no feet
ayehlisa kancane mfethu because like the more abangaka uyangithola uzofana nombesi umuntu ofontovo usho ukuthi kuzomela abe smart uyangithola sekuzomela ahlale lapha ya kube umuntu othenayo 10 and shoot hayi mina yehlise mfethu
Radio Man in fact this season he must do something in fact never be patient with Radio Man why he must try
I trust I
they must
believe in the
put
boy.
more effort gymming in the one coast
Yeah.
you want to like raise his hand in fact if games are not coming coach can I go to DC and try and see you want to like Radio Man you can't forever be young star
Sure.
at some point you have to show up and so but for now it's that Radio Man for this
Yeah, nah my.
Yeah.
Qala bani? Akekho uHalad.
Mina ngicela ngwana sisi.
Hayi.
Skomot.
Ayibala mo Radio Man this time.
It didn't make the page.
Caba wana ma. Eka caba wana ma.
Mayithi sengibaba. Hayi mina ngifika ngathi mfethu Radio Man mfethu. Kule pre-season uyothi zeva uqala
Ongana sisi simthengisi.
Hayi asimthengisa kanjani ngwana tonight.
Ula video la junior khaje le mistake. Radio pan hayi.
Angeke.
Ofana kwazosikolela la. Yeah, it's so come this side. You say we got right to Amazulu.
Hayi nina iplayer lesichaba engazodlala ngeplayer lesquad. Lesquad.
Shout out to evidence of
Ngwana tonight.
Uzombona uzobuya ubheke emakengena kuzojatshulwa kanjani uzolilizelwa ngaka umuntu omkhulu lo ya ubheke manje buya ngizokutshela
uzobona crowd le yake kubuya
kodwa
in
crowd.
I think he's a funny guy even on camera
but the funny part
but yeah,
videos
I'm one of them tangai I'm one of the crowd I wanna say sai
nathi makangena obvious sithi ngwana sisi
chama
so wathola and
yeah
so and I think if you wanna say sine Manchester mfethu now is not a striker that I play like week out and so but on the bench in fact I think he can be effective in fact maybe when you are losing 2-1 or one you're trying to launch the ball Salah and that
I mean I think it's corner there we won here already yasikhukhuni have converted them from center defender already no strike shayile boma 6 goals in 9 games
uzothi sekumele simenze defend
mina bengithi semzame no China lapha leli scheme no China la une height
awuphelela iphela buya ku World Cup
nale dala rafu tuhlokore yalo zama TDC
naye zama uTDC yavele uTDC
yeah let's jump straight to predictions Buffett so we still go first because the reigning champion
ukuthi aqala mina qala ngithi yazi funa uqala yona kunjani predict like online ngifuna ukuthi uqale yona nalapha
online
yeah na online and I know difference makaqala sikhulu
this one Mapagania it's 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates
Hleke kanjani?
Unkopa kanjani eshoko thola wata unkopa na it's fine
3-0
ayibale kuphi
3-0 yakho mfisi 3-0 now
3-0 straight le
hayi 2-0
bafana
batshelile Mapagania by the way hayi season
ele bafana bazaba motivated
no sure
wala isa voice note remember the voice note remember
nazo maqela ngathi singayimamela ukuthi bayamele sibabhulishe when they come there
but it's sold out yes
they must feel it ukuthi lezi zinto abazishilo lezi mele bazibhadalele
yeah
babephethe nje
wazi ukuthi ucoach uzofaka usibilibili phambili Van Royen emove ubheke wena angithi uTito akekho
ngifuna le intana lezi man sibili right ayishaya right back
mina ngisiyamnwazi uwadu siwadu uzofaka usibilibili phambili afake Van Royen emove uyangithola second half uzomise move usibili. Yeah.
Labaya mina bangithusi labaya.
I mean, what do you say about that? The comments that what do you are the best coach? What do you the best of the best?
He is mfethu. Compare nobani, he's the best.
The
best of the best.
To be compared to like ekhaya akekho.
Phela labantu last season umuntu uthathe 3 trophies.
No, I agree. The three of us we once had this debate.
Sure.
The guy is a good coach, and I'll miss them more. He's not a good coach. He has the best players. No. So what I want to know is that have you changed your opinion?
Yeah, I mean I have.
Abandona. We did this last season, and we said we warmed up to the coach, and he's done well, and we gave him his flowers.
No,
I need to
no,
Ghost. I have changed my opinion. Yeah. I have changed it.
You've changed it.
Yeah.
But what did you last season?
No, ghosting like no, what's that sometimes?
No, Mama, we did.
Ghost.
No. Even the last one, even the last one. As I say, and move my flowers. Some move.
Some guy, yeah.
Like I'm not satisfied. Foot okay when I'm born of it. Sure. Who goes the way was Eddie Man? The guy is not a good coach. And I'm saying, Ghost, listen. The guy, no, he's the good player. So I just needed that for the last time to say.
Yeah.
So
he's actually a good coach. Do you think God is a good coach? What's after 3 games? Do you think God is a good coach?
Yeah, that you even recorded that conversation. And give a very they won't understand or kids it was 4 kids, 1 in the car, 1 hour drive, having this debate. No, this guy is not a good coach. But you are now last if I can see a good coach.
We have changed our opinion.
Yeah.
I mean, I have changed my opinion.
Yeah.
He is a good coach.
I was right.
Yeah, you were right.
Oh, you never put it.
He's on your team. He's only.
It's only next week is a pin.
I'm
a gentleman. All right, cow.
Yeah,
all right.
Oh, yeah, before I was, what is a good coach?
Yeah, you're right. You're the right one.
No, what I just want good. Next time when I give my opinion about the coach, Buffett, listen to me. I can see a good coach from a distance.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm not just saying.
I
saw until I think this guy has something to offer.
We've
reached the end of the show. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Mr. Mlambo.
Sizoqhubeka singayi content emnandi mapakani.
Now this season is a
elevating.
Amapakani yasihlangane nesikotini next week bafethu sihama Durban City sivaleni mapakani ya bopa